see you there. Welcome to another tutorial. In this case, I'm going to hack the missiles of America to target themselves, except for Minnesota. Why? Because I was born in Minnesota. I love Minnesota. But now I am in Pakistan. I am in the nuclear factory of Pakistan. As you can see, no one is here, except for shadows that appear like on the left. Not always, but it creeped me the fuck out. Okay, so I'm serious right now. So if you want to leave, get out of America right now. But if you see this, America will be nuked already. But if you live in Minnesota, you are lucky. You are very lucky. Okay, so let's start with some calculations of to change the direction of the missiles. You have to press on, and then you want to press tankers, like tankers. Okay, and then x squared, and then 3. 3 is because the Minnesota is the state number 3, so you have to exclude 3, and then you press equal. So now we are going to hack this. Oh no, I ran out of internet. I don't have internet. I have a little secret for you. Voila, I have internet now. Okay, so that was all. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you live in Minnesota, because if not, you are dead. I'm sorry, but the problem is sometimes you are and sometimes you are. See you in Minnesota.